Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term TF. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, TF is an abbreviation expressing confusion or surprise, short for the f. People use it when they're shocked or can't believe something happened. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. TF first showed up in the early 2000s gaming and online chat scenes. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger internet users and gamers. Now let's check out how to use TF in a sentence. Correct example 1. I was so confused, I typed TF in the chat during the game. Correct example 2. Did you seriously do that? TF? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said TF at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using TF right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. TF means an abbreviation expressing confusion or surprise, short for the f. It started in the early 2000s gaming and online chat scenes, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with TF in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.